When digital visuals feel too flat, a well-crafted repeating texture can instantly add sophistication and depth that elevates the entire design. How to design stylish web patterns. Open Adobe Photoshop and create a square canvas around 1500 by 1500 pixels so your pattern has enough space to tile smoothly. Select the shape or brush tool and draw a simple motif such as dots, lines, or small icons, keeping it centered and evenly spaced. Duplicate the motif using Ctrl+J and align copies with smart guides so spacing remains consistent. Choose subtle, web-friendly colors and adjust tones using adjustment layers rather than repainting elements.